How to set up sleep timer on YouTube mobile app. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to set up sleep timer on YouTube mobile app. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. First of all, launch YouTube application on your device and then log into your account. You have to be aware that to access the sleep timer feature, you must be a YouTube Premium member. For that, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select the gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, tap Try Experimental New Features, and to unlock the sleep timer feature, you have to tap Get Premium option. And there, when you get Premium, you will get the sleep timer option. You have to tap on Try It Now button and it will get access to the sleep timer feature on your YouTube. And then you have to select a particular video where you want to set up the sleep timer on YouTube mobile app, and you need to tap on the gear icon at top right corner of this video. Tap additional settings and here you will get the option for sleep timer. You have to tap on sleep timer and you have to set up your sleep timer on YouTube mobile app. So that is it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.